Well, welcome back, guys. Greg from Oakesy Adventures, and this is an update for the BT50. Well, currently, what's happening to it and where does it sit at the moment. Okay, so from the last episode, the vehicle was towed on a flatbed to Mazda, Mandurah. They were going to do a diagnostic report on that engine to determine what was the exact failure. Okay, so a week ago, had a phone call from them, and the failure was a number 3 injector. Number 3 injector has failed, in turn burned a hole through the piston, pressurising the crankcase and pushing oil up in the turbo, which caused the turbo to fail as well. So basically the motor is pretty well stuffed. So where from here? What do I do now? So the service manager was actually very nice on the phone. He said, be patient. We've actually put a claim into Mazda to see whether or not they will pick up some of the costs and go from there. 1 or 2 days ago, I got a call from the service manager again from Mazda in Mandurah, and believe it or not, Mazda's going to put a whole new motor in, new injector, and also a brand new turbo as well at their cost. Absolutely lost the words. I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting to fork out 20 odd grand to get that car back on the road. So that is the update, guys, on what is happening with the BT. Yes, she's going to be back out there again with a whole new motor and turbo and new injector. Yeah, so good news for us. Again, thank you so much, Mazda, for looking after me. I really appreciate it. You've gone well past what my expectations on what to do with that motor. So look, guys, I'll leave it here. That's just a brief update. Hope to see you soon down the road. Until then, thanks again. Bye.